Hey everybody, okay, this is going to be a quick demonstration of my Reliance ProTran generator transfer switch. So this is a Reliance is the name of the company, and ProTran is the model. This is a model 31406C. It's rated for 125 250 volt input, 30 amp maximum. But basically it does 6 circuits, and this is a way to get your generator power into your breaker box. So basically what you do is you take this cord set and you bring this cord out to the generator, and you plug in this cord here to the generator there. And this particular generator, mine's wired up to be, goes 240 out, and it goes into my panel from here. So I switch this over to the 240, and this is not a real big generator. It's just a 3500 running watts, 4000 peak. When they rate generators like that, it's 3500 max as you're running all the time, and then some electric motors, they take more power when they start up, so this can go up to 4000. So it's not a real big one. It's a small one. I've had this one for many years. It's been good to me. But you plug that in, and then you would start the generator, and then all you have to do is flip these switches over from line, which is your commercial power, to the generator power. So when power goes out, you would get your cord, plug it in your generator, start your generator, let it warm up, come over here and switch your switches over to generator, and then you'll have power. So for me, my house, that's what I've done. So my we call it the den. It's a small like TV room with chairs. It does that room. It does some outlets in my kitchen, and it also happens to do my lights, overhead lights around those outlets. So I kind of looked out there. C is my bigger one for my fridge, and I did D does my master bedroom. Does all the outlets, and it actually does a ceiling fan in the bedroom, which is pretty neat too. And then E is a living room outlet, and again the ceiling fan happens to be on that same breaker, which is convenient, so I get outlets and power and a ceiling fan. And then we did the microwave oven. So that's wired in your breaker panel, and then when you open up your panel, you don't see anything because the wiring is inside of here. So the breakers with the white dots are the ones that I had marked off that it actually, those are my correspond to what the generator powers. So can't do a whole lot, but just does the necessities, and it saves you from having to run extension cords all around your house and have a big spaghetti mess. And then as it's running and pulling the loads, these meters here will give you an idea of how much power you're pulling. And there's all sorts of calculators and stuff online to figure out how many watts different appliances and different things take. So we won't get into that in this video. You can do some research on that. But that's a generator switch. And again, this is the safest way to do it. Instead of backfeeding through an outlet, this is totally safe. And in the event that power comes back on while your generator is running, that's no problem at all. Once you see your neighbor's lights are on, or you get power in other parts of the house, all you do is you come back out here to reverse it, and then you would flip your switch from generator power to back to your commercial power. And then you would just go reverse, unplug your line from your generator, and that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.